Hi guys! So lately I've been struggling with a little bit of acne and dark marks. So today I'm going to try a little bit of dermaplaning. Now I've never done this before, but I want to try it. Now I'm going to start with my herbal oil that I make at home. I will link the recipe in the bio below in case you haven't seen that video. And I will also use this dermaplaning tool that I got on Amazon. Now I usually use this for my eyebrows, but you use it for dermaplaning as well. So I'm going to rub the oil all over my face just to make sure that I can see exactly where the dermaplaning tool needs to go. Oil can also be really cleansing for the face. I'm just going to make sure this oil is just all over my face. Be careful because it leaks. Oopsies. But yeah, just make sure you get it all over. Now you want to make sure the dermaplaning tool is at a 45-degree angle and you want to go really gently. As you can see, as I started to move the dermaplane down my face, I saw the dirt picking up with the oil. So the oil does a really good job of capturing the dirt. Now, in case you're wondering what I'm looking at, I have a mirror in front of me. It's just like a small vanity mirror that I have in my bathroom at all times. So you might want to use that while you do this because it gives you a closer look at different angles of your face. I just wanted to show you how the oil and my skin cells look on the blade. I don't think a lot came up because I think that my face isn't that hairy. And I know that this is typically used to get rid of like surface level hair along with surface level skin cells. So that's probably why you don't see as much as you would on someone else. But I did see a little bit more when I got to like my mustache area. Now I'm just going in and cleaning up my eyebrows a little bit. I typically use this tool to do my eyebrows. I stopped getting my eyebrows done once the pandemic hit, but I really like it this way. I don't know if I'm gonna go back. Because I have somewhat sensitive skin and this procedure can be very irritating to the face, I'm going to do a very light cleaning of my face today. So I'm using the Glytone Acne Clearing Cleanser. I got this from my dermatologist and I'm just going to rub it in my face for about 60 seconds. I got this method from LA Beautyologist. I really like this cleaner because it's not very bubbly. Which means that it has really good ingredients and it foams up and it just feels really good on my face. Next, I'm going to be using the May Love Glow Maker. This is my favorite affordable serum. It also feels really good and it just gets right into your skin. It sinks right in. Now I'm using the Urban Skin RX Glowing Moisturizer. This is really good. I'm also almost done with this, so I have to get a little bit more, but this is also another product that really sinks into your skin. Then I'll use some jojoba oil and just pat that right into my skin to seal the moisture. So taking a look at my skin, I did really like the fact that it felt really soft after this. So I think I'm going to add it to my regimen maybe twice a month or once a month. Let me know what you guys think about this or anything that you think that would help. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.